Hey guys, this is JediSal with Bull Traders. I just wanted to show you one strategy, or it's a combination of two strategies that I always wanted to do, and today it worked. It was on AAL. This was a long, and this one was a short. And the one I wanted to combine, I wanted to do a overextended 9 EME pullback. I learned this from, I can't remember his name, but the Russian guy. I don't know what his name is. But I always wanted to combine it, right? When you have that pop long and then combine it with the 9 EME extended. And well, today I had the chance to actually do it. So here's the tray. I saw it around this area. Actually, this is a 2 minute. Let me go to a 5 minutes because I was watching the 5 minutes when I saw it. So I was right here, somewhere around here as I catched it. So I draw these lines. Actually, this was a little bit more like that. So I draw these lines and then I just waited until it got close to the edge of the wedge. So when I saw these hammers right here, I decided I was holding the 90 ME, the 20. It was above the VWAP, so I decided to take it around. I think it was this one, 1125, and boom, it just popped. I took partials around here when it got close to the 150 moving average. Then I took a little partials here, like two or three, and then I decided to get out. The reason why is because of the 150 and was very close to the 200. So I was like, all right, I think that's it. And I was right about that, luckily. So then I saw this and I was like, all right, this is the. I always wanted to do this. I always wanted to do it. So I saw this and I was like, this is it right here, man. So on that one, I was looking at the 2 and the 1 minute. So let's look at the 2 right now. I was looking at the 2 and the 1 minute. So it was like, whoa, way over here. And I saw that it was going down. So I took it around there. And it was like, I don't know, 8 cents, something like that, spread risk. And then I just, I wrote it all the way down to my 5 minutes, all the way down to like here. So I made like, I don't know, R3 or something like that. And voila. So I was pretty content that I finally got the chance to combine those two strategies, right? When you got a big ass pop and it's far away from the 90 ME and then you take it going down, and it worked for me today. Um, so yeah, pretty good day. I hope you guys are green as well. I have 5 trades, 5 winners, man. I actually made. I was $20 away from making my weekly goal in one day, so I'm pretty content. I need to raise my weekly goal because it's becoming kind of too easy to get because I'm at 120 risk right now. So starting September, I'm gonna go to 150, and I'm gonna raise all my goals. So yeah, pretty good. All right. So hope you guys are green as well. Bye.